One second, let me little slow. Okay. Now let's start. Example number 2. Last time we discussed example 1. Don't stop your video, please. Example number 2. In figure 6.10, Ray OS, you can see Ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OR and OT. Ray OR and OT are angle bisectors. So if they are angle bisectors, that means this angle is equal to this angle and these two are equal. Let us name them to make it easy for us, like this: small a, small b, small c, and small d. Once again, let me open that chat window also. Is that? Okay. Now we have to first write what is given to us. If you write the given part, we can say given to us is angle A is equal to angle B, comma, angle C is equal to angle D. These two things are given to us. Now, what the question wants from us is, if angle POS is equal to X, to find if angle POS, that is how much POS is actually angle A plus angle B only, it is equal to X, then find angle ROT. This is the question. What is ROT? ROT is actually angle B plus angle C. So you can see ROT is actually angle B plus angle C. This we have to find. So you can see I am writing the full name or the complete name as well as the symbol I have taken, but I will be using symbols only in the question to make it easy to understand. Okay, now let's start. First thing, what we can say right now, seeing the diagram. Yes class, the first equation that you can form using the diagram, please tell. The first equation you can form, angle A is equal to angle C, but that is okay, that is already given to us now. What equation you can form in terms of angle? Because you want to find angle ROT, you need to understand how you can bring in measurement of angle. Is there any way to bring in measurement of angle? We all know POQ is a straight line. What thoughts come to your mind when you think POQ is a straight line? What thoughts come to your mind when you think POQ is a straight line? Utkarsh is saying question is 180 minus X. Okay. X plus ROT is equal to 180, linear pair. Very good, Mehak. Mishti, linear pair. Very good. Straight angle. Okay. Vaishnav, we all can see linear pair is defined for two angles. So first of all, we should write like this. Proof is angle POS plus angle SOQ. You can see I have taken POS SOQ is equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair of angles. Now this POS can be written as A plus B, angle A plus angle B, plus SOQ can be written as angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. I hope till this point it is clear to everyone. So that is angle QOS. Beta, which one? QOS. Okay. Beta, you say QOS or you say SOQ. The thing is same. Utkarsh, there is no issue, beta. Okay. I have taken POS and SOQ. It is the same thing. If you say QOS, no issue. OS stands on line POQ. Yes, beta, it stands on the line. Now we can say, now we all know A and B are equal. What is given to us in the question? A and B are equal and C and D are equal. We want value of B plus C. We need to understand where we are starting and where we want to reach. We have to see both the things. What is given to us and what is to be found. We have to find a relation which contain only B and C. Okay, you need to understand, right now we have this equation, but we want an equation in which there is only B and C. We don't want A and D. You can see we want only B and C. So for that we have to use the given things, and given to us is A is equal to B. I can use that. So I can write it as angle B plus angle B. I have written A as angle B. Similarly, I can write D as angle C, because my question wanted me to find B plus C. So what I have done? I have replaced A with B and D with C. Now you can add these, they become twice angle B plus twice angle C is equal to 180 degree. So which finally makes it twice angle B plus C is equal to 180, and finally angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. So we have found angle B plus C is equal to 90 degree. I hope you got this. Sir did not understand this part. Okay. Ananya is saying 90 degree. Okay. Okay, most didn't got this. I will explain one more time. Simple thing is, I told you, in these questions, you have to be Vasco da Gama, but not Columbus. So you need to understand, you need to use what is given to you carefully. If you use the compass in the wrong way, you will reach America instead of India. So let's see again what is given to us. Moksh, given to us is, how did you replace the angles? But it is given to us, na? You can see, given to us is angle A equal to angle B and C equal to D. How? Because RO and OT are angle bisectors. That is why I understood, I have this equation right now. Somehow I have to make it equation only in terms of B and C. And to make that, I have replaced A with B as A is equal to B given in the question, and I have replaced D with C. That is why I got the complete equation in terms of B only and C only. I hope Moksh, you got it now. Very good, beta. I hope all of you are getting this. This lecture is being recorded. In case of any issue, you can go on the YouTube channel and you can watch it one more time. Okay. Now, let's see. Next example, we have OP, OQ, OR. So you can see OP, OQ, OR, and OS are 4 rays. Prove that angle POQ. So we have to prove, nothing is given in this question to us. We have to prove angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degree. Now, we all know, excuse me sir, I am sorry to disturb you, but I am not able to hear you, nor I am able to see screen. May I disconnect and reconnect, Arshia? Arshia, beta, I have to again do that, na? 1 second. Let me do that. Okay, I have unlocked the meeting. You can exit and come again. Do it fast. So class, we have angle POQ plus angle QOR. So this angle plus angle SOR, that is this angle, and finally this angle. We have to prove the sum of these 4 angles is 360 degree. We already know this is 360 degree because we have studied about this, about complete angle we have studied. If you start from here and you make a complete revolution, the angle is 360 degree. But this time They want you to prove this thing. And you know what? Right now, there is no thing that can help you to prove this. You have to go for the construction of this question because you have to use the linear pair of angles property. You have to use linear pair of pairs property, but in this diagram there is no straight line. Can you observe? Can you tell me, is there any straight line in the diagram? Yes beta, we will extend OQ. Yes, right now in the diagram there is no straight line, so we can't take help of linear pair of pair theorem. You have to understand the thinking process. The day you generate this thinking process, you will get how to solve the question. So in this question, to prove the complete angle 360, we have to think how we can bring in a straight line. For that, we can extend any line. Sir, is it necessary to do construction? But Moksh, if you think it is not necessary, you have to come with an idea. Okay, I thought about it, but I was not getting it. So I think if you have an idea, you can share with me. We can take that also. Okay. So we will extend any one line, whatever we want. Okay. Let's start with OQ. I have to write over here construction. Bhavya Kumar Dhruva. Okay. So what is a construction? Construction is extend OQ. We are doing it on the back side. So extend OQ to, suppose, like this, point T, OQ to T backwards. So this is the construction done by us. The reason of construction is very simple. I want to prove the complete angle 360. For that, I want to take help of linear pair, a straight line, because I know the property that in a straight line, the sum of two angles is always 180. I can use this theorem to prove this question. Okay, so let's start. And before starting, let us name the symbols. So we can name this angle as angle A, this angle as angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle E. I have this habit of making a circle over the assumptions. You also can follow this habit. This will make sure the things in circle are angles. Okay. Now let's start the proof. Abin Sam Matthew has entered the waiting room. Now I'm again locking it. One second. Lock meeting. Now see. So the first thing that we can say, seeing the figure that we have made, is we can use linear pair of angles, and I can say angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. The reason is very simple. They are linear pair of angles. Okay. Second thing I can say is, yes, beta, Moksh is saying angle POT plus POQ. Angle POT plus POQ. Yes, beta, it is a straight line. That is why the angle is 180 degree. Simple reason, they are forming a linear pair. Now, similarly, I can write the other part, that is angle E, angle D plus angle C is also forming a linear pair. So you can write also angle E plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But the problem is, in this case you can't write that linear pair. Actually it is that only. So you can take E plus D plus C as, the reason is same, LPOA. Now let me call it equation number 1 and let me call it equation number 2. So what we can do is, we can understand that just by adding, I have to prove that this total sum is how much? 360. Again we have to think in which direction should we move to get this to prove. You can see and observe, we want a sum of 360 degree. All of you can see we want on right hand side a sum of 360 degree. So for that, you can observe you have 180 and 180 on the right hand side. What if we add these two equations? Maybe we get the answer. Maybe this is the right turn that we have to take to reach the destination. Let's try. Add equation 1 and equation 2. We get angle A plus angle B. Let me do circle also. Plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. And now you can say A plus B is this B and E is actually your angle POQ. So angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degree, and hence we have proved. I guess you got this. Yes, beta, we will get 360 degree. Sir, then angles POS is made in two angles. Yes, beta, I have bifurcated it. Okay, I have bifurcated the POS in A and E. Sir, please explain last part again. Mishti is saying. Okay, I am explaining, beta. Ansh is saying same. Don't get thing with this, Ansh, what you are saying. Okay, what I have done is, after this thing, we have these two equations, A plus B and E plus D plus C. Now, I saw what I want. I want the complete angle to be proved as 360 degree. For that, if you observe the two equations you have, if you add these, the sum on right side will become 360. Now, I have written the addition of that. That is A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 180 plus 180. So simple addition of two equations. After that, I wrote the complete question statement. That is POQ. Why? Because POQ is what? POQ is actually A plus E only. And we have both. I have replaced A and E with POQ. Then I have angle B is equal to this one. Sorry. POQ is angle B only. So you have replaced B with POQ, C with QOR, D with ROS, and this A and E is POS. I hope now you got this. I hope Misty you got this now. Very good. Okay, Parkhi, but now you got this. You are saying me to repeat. Parkhi, but you got this. Okay, now questions are very easy. I told you, you just need to understand what is the given to you and what you want to reach. Okay, now I was saying he also got it, you also got it. Now let's see the next example. Oh, we started the exercise. I will try to give you an idea how to think. Okay, and I want you people to understand. I am giving you questions one day before so that you can try once. When you try the question, you think about the question. So you have your thought process. Next day, when I discuss the questions, I give you my thought process. So in this way, we can sync our thought process, and by that we can make every question easy for us. Okay, so please take those assignment very seriously and try to solve. Max to max, what will happen? You will have to just cut the answer. No issue. Please try this. And trust me, geometry will be very easy for you. But if you just rely on me for understanding geometry, you will be having many issues while doing the questions. Okay? Please try on your own always. Now, let's read the question. In figure 6.13, line AB and CD intersect at O. You can see there is a line AB and CD intersecting at point O. If angle AOC and BO equal to 70 degree, let's write the given part, what is given to us. Always write the given part first. Angle AOC, that is this angle, AOC, this angle, plus angle BOE, BOE, that is this angle, is equal to 70 degree. Let us name them A angle and this as B angle. You can take any variable M, P, N, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, you can take, no issue. And if you are happy taking the complete name, you are free for that also. Okay. So we know one thing, that angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? 70 degree. Second thing we know is angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So this angle is given to us as 40 degree. So angle C is given to us as 40 degree. Find angle BOE. To find angle BOE, what is BOE? B is here, OE. So we have to find this complete angle. We already know B is there, so let's take this as D. So actually we have to find angle BO. One second, they want only BOE. Sorry. I have taken extra. One second, my mistake. I have read the to find mistakenly. We have to find angle BOE. This is BOE. So we have to find angle BOE or angle B we have to find. Apart from that, we have to find reflex of angle COE. Reflex angle COE. Can you help me? How we can find angle COE reflex? Suppose this is angle D. What is meant by reflex of COE? How will you find it? Beta, please help me. If you know angle COE is D, what is the formula? 360 minus angle given. Very good, Mehak. Very good. Very good, beta. So to find reflex of COE, we have to find 360 degree minus angle D. That's it. And we are done. So let's start our question. We have, I guess we have to do this question today. The class is till 8:35. No? We have time, little bit time. Let's start little bit at fast pace. So proof. Let's start. First thing we can say is, again we have to understand what we can do with the given question. How I can form the equations. Some or the other way we have to find the angle. To find the angle, we have to understand what property we can use. We can use linear pair of angles easily. I can say angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180. Why? Because of linear pair of angles. After this, you can say AOC is actually angle A plus COB is angle D plus angle B. This is equal to how much? 180 degree. Yes. Are you getting this till this point? Now, this equation gave us the equation of linear equation. And can you tell me, this equation will give us what thing? What we can find using this equation? Please help me. What we can find amongst A, D and B? Kamal Jyoti Singh, didn't understand. Okay. Please see one more time. Given to me is A plus B equal to 70 degree. This angle plus this angle equal to 70 degree. Angle C, that is this angle, is 40 degree. We have to find angle BOE, that is BOE. We have to find value of angle B and reflex of COE. What I have done is I have taken as AOB is a straight line. क्योंकि AOB एक straight line है, we can say A plus D plus B is equal to 180 degree. And we know the value of A and B is given to us. We know the value of A plus B. The value of A plus B is 70 degree plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So angle D is equal to how much? 180 minus 70. Angle D is equal to 110 degree. I hope we got this. How I found angle D. But question want me to find angle B, not D. We want to find B for Bombay, not D for Delhi. Okay. So for that, let's understand one more thing. There is one more line. This line COD. You can see in the line COD, You already know now value of D, value of C. You need to find value of B. Very easy. So you have to think how I can find the value of B. Okay. First प्रोसेस से हमने फाइंड किया एंगल D को, D फॉर दिल्ली, एंड अब हम दूसरी लाइन लेंगे दैट इज COD in which D plus B plus C is 180. Again we can say angle D plus angle B plus angle C is equal to also 180 degree. Same reason, linear pair of angles. Now put the values. If put the values, angle D is how much? Angle D is 110. Angle B is unknown. Angle C is how much? 40 degree given to us equal to 180 degree. This gives us angle B is equal to 180 minus 150 degree, that is 30 degree. So we have found the first part. Now second part is reflex of angle COE, that is 360 degree minus angle T, and angle D is how much? Angle D is actually 110. So the reflex angle is 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. I hope you got this. Please confirm. Sir, COA will be 40. Tegbir is saying COA will be 40. But I have not found it. You can find very easily. But not 450, it is 250 Ansh. Bhavya is correct, 250. This question is very easy. We just need to understand what resources we have. We need to utilize the resources in a perfect way. Okay. Very good, Sanjot, Tavleen. I'm saying by mistake. No, beta, koi baat nahi. Sir, I added all the remaining angles. No problem, beta. That is also correct. Utkarsh, that is also correct because reflex angle is this angle. For angle COE, reflex means, let me take a different color pen. Let me take this one. Okay, reflex of angle COE means this angle. There are two ways to find the reflex. Either you add these and these, or you find like this. Easy way. 360 minus angle D. Because both are same things. You can see that this portion, that is angle D, and this portion is 360 minus angle D. So both the ways are correct. Either you go by this or by adding the remaining angles. Okay, it depends on you. I hope you got this, Utkarsh. Okay, now time is 8:33 a.m. So only 2 minutes are left. Let me stop the recording and we can switch on our videos. Stop recording.